Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our online classes. Today, I am going to teach you the subject English. In English, I am going to teach you the lesson in different places. Before I teach the lesson, let me go to my favorite place. Dear students, look what I am doing. Listen. Kokku para para, koli para para, maina para para, maile para. En pattame para para para, vaanam daandi para para para. Children, look what I am doing. I am flying a kite. Yes, I have enjoyed a lot. My dear students, our lesson is also based on kite. Name of the lesson is Sundari. Sundari is a beautiful kite. Who made this Sundari, you know? Bobby. Yes, Bobby made it. In this story, Sundari, a boy named Bobby, made a beautiful kite. It was a big, red, white and blue kite. That kite smiled at Bobby. It looked beautiful. He named it Sundari. One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Dear children, have you ever visited the trade fair? Yes.
It will be very enjoyable.
We can see many rides there, like merry-go-round, roller coaster. There were so many rides. In that fair, band was playing and everyone was smiling and enjoying. And a famous ride, merry-go-round, was carrying lots and lots of children. Yes, it is very happy to see, isn't it? Happy tune.
Bobby looked up for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. So he took Sundari out in the grass, holding Sundari as high as he could. The wind came along. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not. She could not go very high. You know why? A little dog was holding on to her long tail. Whose long tail? Sundari's long tail. Yes, it was in his mouth. Bobby saw it. Bobby shooed the dog away. He tried again, holding up his kite. This time, Sundari leaped up in the air.
Sundari gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. Wee! Cried Sundari. Now Sundari can fly high up as she wants. And she flew up and up in the air. Children, it's nice story, isn't it? Now children, I am going to ask you some questions from the story. Now tell me children, who made Sundari? Who made Sundari? It's Bobby. Yes, Bobby made Sundari. Who smiled at Bobby? Sundari. Sundari smiled at Bobby. And now, who took Sundari to the fair? Who took Sundari to the fair? It's Bobby. Bobby took Sundari to the fair. What was the color of Sundari? What was the color of Sundari? It's red, white and blue color. Okay children? Very good. Now we will do reading practice. Children, it's page number 80. Sundari was a big red, white and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundari, he said. Bobby called kite Sundari because the kite was so beautiful. One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. A merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. Bobby looked for an open space where he could run and fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Puff! The wind came along. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding on her long tail. It was his mouth. So, Sundari couldn't fly. Bobby shooed the dog away.
We will try again.
Bobby said. This time, Sundari leaped up in the air. She tugged. What is tugged? Tugged means a sudden pull. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let her go of her string. You know children, what is string? String means
Material consists of
thread of cotton. It will be like a thread. She gave a big tug. She gave a sudden pull. Bobby had to let her go. Wee! Cried Sundari. Now I can fly as high as I please. Now children, we will practice new words. New words. Band. B-A-N-D. Band. B-A-N-D. Band. The band was playing a tune. Dizzy. Dizzy. D-I-Z-Z-Y. Children become dizzy when they go in merry-go-round. D-I-Z-Z-Y. Dizzy. smile. S-M-I-L-E, smile. S-M-I-L-E, smile. Smile means smiling. String. String. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. String means material, consists of threads of cotton, like thread. String. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. Tug. Tug. Tug means sudden pull. T-U-G, tug. T-U-G, tug. Wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Page number 82. Children, we have an exercise here. Pick the objects you need to fly a kite. And you should color the kite also. Look at the first object. It is a stick. It is a stick. Do you need a stick to fly a kite? If yes, put a tick. And now look at second object. What is it? It is a roller. It is a roller. Children, do we need a roller to fly a kite? Yes. If yes, put a tick near the object. Now look at the third object. What is it? It is a glue. It is a glue. Do we need a glue to fly a kite? If yes, put a tick. Next, look at the object. It is a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors. Do we need a pair of scissors to fly a kite? No. Look at the next object. It is a basket. It is a basket. Do we need a basket to fly a kite? If yes, put a tick. But we are not using a basket to fly a kite. So it is no. The next object is paper. You can see a paper. Do we need a paper to fly a kite? No. Next, we can see a ball. We can see a ball. Do we need a ball to fly a kite? No. Now, see the kite, children. Color the kite and make it a beautiful kite. Children, now we will practice synonyms. Number 1. Tug. Tug, drag. Tug, drag. Tug, drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. Number 2. String, rope. String, rope. String, rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. string, rope. Number 3, leap, jump, leap, jump, leap, jump. J U M P, jump, leap, jump. Number 4, tune, melody, tune, melody. M E L O D Y, melody, tune, melody, tune, melody. Number 5, merry, joyful, merry, joyful. J O Y F U L, joyful, merry, joyful. We'll revise again, children. Number 1, tug, drag, tug, drag. Number 2, string, rope, string, rope. Number 3, leap, jump, leap, jump. Number 4, tune, melody, tune, melody. Number 5, merry, joyful, merry, joyful. Antonyms. Number 1, open, close, open, close. C L O S E, close, open, close. Number 2, high, low, high, low. L O W, low, L O W, low, high, low. Number 3, cry, laugh, cry, laugh. L A U G H, laugh. L A U G H, laugh, cry, laugh. Number 4, hold, release, hold, release. R E L E A S E, release, hold, release, hold, release. Number 5, hard, soft, hard, soft. S O F T, soft. S O F T, soft, hard, soft. Now, frame sentence. Number 1, band, band. The band was playing a tune. The band was playing a tune. Number 2, beautiful, beautiful. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. Number 3. Hard. Number 3. Hard. Work hard to reach your goal. Work hard to reach your goal. Next, answer the following. Number 1. Who made Sundari? Who made Sundari? Answer. Bobby made Sundari. Bobby made Sundari. Number 2. Why did Bobby call his kite Sundari? Bobby called his kite Sundari because she was beautiful. Bobby called his kite Sundari because she was beautiful. Number 3. Who leaped up in the air? Who leaped up in the air? Answer. Sundari leaped up in the air. Sundari leaped up in the air. Number 4. Who was holding Sundari's long tail? Who was holding Sundari's long tail? Answer. A little dog was holding Sundari's long tail. A little dog was holding Sundari's long tail. Number 5. Where did Bobby take Sundari? Answer. Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Bobby took Sundari to the fair. குழந்தைகளா, மிஸ் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல சுந்தரி லெசன் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். சுந்தரி லெசன் ஒரு குட்டி பையனோட கதை. அந்த குட்டி பையன் பேரு பாபி. அவன் என்ன பண்றான்? அழகான ஒரு பட்டம் செஞ்சு அதுக்கு சுந்தரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பெயரை வைக்கிறான். பட்டம்னா எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி பாபிக்கும் பட்டம்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். அதனால அந்த பட்டத்துக்கு அவன் சுந்தரி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பேரை வைக்கிறான். அந்த பட்டத்தை பொருட்காட்சிக்கு எடுத்துட்டு போறான்.
பாபி அந்த பட்டத்தை எடுத்துட்டு வெளியில் கொண்டு போகிறான். அப்போது அந்த பட்டை பறக்க விடும்போது என்ன ஆகுது? அந்த ஒரு குட்டி நாய் என்ன பண்ணுது? அந்த பட்டத்தோட வாழை பிடிச்சிக்குது. அப்போது அந்த பட்டத்தால் பறக்க முடியல. வாழை பிடிச்சதுனால அந்த பட்டத்தால் பறக்க முடியல. அப்போ பாபி அந்த நாயை ஷூ ஷூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு துரத்தி விடுறான். அதுக்கப்புறமா அந்த பட்டம் நல்ல மேலே நல்ல சந்தோஷமாக பறக்குது வானத்தில். இல்லையா குழந்தைங்களா?
பட்டம் காத்துல பறக்கிறது ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இல்லையா பார்க்கறதுக்கு? அதே மாதிரி பாபியும் அந்த பட்டத்தை பார்த்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறான் காத்துல பறக்கும் போது. Okay children, hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Very good children. Bye. Meet you in the next class. Thank you children.